Fergie. Fergie, look at your present. Your present is opening. And look what it is. 2 catnip winter things. A snowman and a penguin. Yay! Whee!
Maddie,
and Maddie's gonna get it. Maddie, no!
No!
No! Who got that for Fergie?
Pick them up and give them to the cat so she smells them.
Look. That's your present.
John, take a picture.
No. Where's Maddie's?
Fergie.
Where's Maddie?
Hey, Maddie.
Where's Maddie's balls?
I know where that
Give
is.
them to her so they can play together.
I want to give them to her. Maddie, look at your present. That's your present. You open it. What is that? What is that? They're balls. You can't chew on them now. They have stuff around them. Oh, but you're going to take them off. Good thinking. Oh, and you did it. Look. You got balls for Christmas. Whoa. Maddie. Maddie, say bye. Maddie, bye.